In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your iPad into a factory settings. So it's like setting it up as fresh. This is good if you're planning of selling your iPad or if you wanted to sign into a different iCloud account. To do this, you would have to go to settings first. Okay, and so settings, and from here, go to general. In general, you will see this at the bottom, the one that says reset. Tap that, and you should select the second one, the one that says erase all content and settings. Okay, and you would have to erase. Make sure to back it up if you want to back it up, but if you're good, then select erase now. And when you set up this iPad, you should set up already your password, so you have to re-enter that for you to be able to continue. And it's asking you to erase the iPad, and click erase. Are you sure you want to continue? And just hit erase. And you would have to enter your password again. Okay, and it says erase. Okay, there it is. So we're good. And now so for example, you just purchased an iPad, and now to create your account, just simply, or if you wanted to sign into a different account. So of course from here, select the language, and I'm just gonna select the English, and region or country. So just select wherever you're at. And set up manually. Okay, and here you would have to select the Wi-Fi. And join. Okay, so it says it may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. Okay, and just hit continue, data and privacy, hit continue. And if you wanted to set up your Touch ID, so from here, I would like to set it up later, so set up Touch ID later, and just say don't use for now. And now you have to create your PIN or password to open this one. It's advisable all the time to do that. So at least wherever you go, and if in case you left this one somewhere else, no one can access your iPad. Okay, so let's just create a PIN or a password. And you would have to re-enter it again. Okay, and from here it asks you if you wanted to restore. So again, if you back this up, you can back this up through iCloud, Mac, or directly from iPad, or move data from Android. Because I'm going to set this up or reset this app as fresh, I am going to select the bottom one, the one that says don't transfer apps and data. Okay, and here you would have to enter your Apple ID or iCloud account. Okay, and hit next, and you would have to enter your password and hit next, and your Apple ID. Okay, so it says incorrect. Would have to redo it again. Okay, let's re-enter the password. Okay, and hit next. Okay, let's re-enter the password. Okay, and now because when I set up that iCloud account, I had to set it with this two-factor authentication. So it says here verification was sent to that phone number. So let me just enter that. Okay, and here terms and conditions, just simply hit agree. And again, it says it may take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID. And just hit continue. And here I'm just going to disable location services. It's up to you if you want to enable it. You can do it also under settings later. Okay, Apple Pay, I'm going to set it up later. And if you want to use an iCloud keychain, I'm not going to use it for now. And Siri, you can set it up also later. So I'm just going to set it up later. Also the screen time, I'll set it up later. And iPad Analytics, it's up to you if you want to share it. I'm not going to share it this time. And it's up to you which one you wanted to select. If dark mode, it's like that. Light mode is like this. Okay, I'm just going to select light mode. And now get started. There you go. Now you're all set. And that's pretty much how to reset your iPad to factory settings. Thanks again, guys, for watching. Until next time.